Say hello, Beaky. This is Beaky Banana Head. She's one of my oldest chickens, and I'm entrusting her today to let us know who's going to win tonight.
Bonjour, messieurs.
Now, I ought to explain the reason she's called Beaky. Well, actually, need I explain? Slightly deformed beak, but one of the best hens in the whole world. And Beaky and I are now making our way to the arena. See you the other side. Small problem in proceedings at the moment. I put the beak down so she could just have a mill around, have a look at the arena. Shush you. Yeah, dog's not happy either. We have actually lost the beak. Give me a couple of minutes. I am gonna have to have a little route around all these bushes. Yeah, dog's helping as well. We'll find her, don't worry. I managed to find the beak. I lost her momentarily. Found her in the courgettes. Right, we're at the Arena of Dreams. Fairly simple. Beaky gets hand-fed due to her ridiculous disability. How ugly she is. So she's got 2 feed bowls, both are hers, for fairness, and basically it's whichever one she picks. Alright, let's release the beak. You ready? Go. Beak! 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 I'm assuming by Beaky's departure, she's not remotely interested in the game that I've set up. What I can glean from my own commentary of what's just happened, that it's going to be a difficult game. I'm going to set up another arena of prediction, and we'll see where it goes from there. Okay, I've caught up with her, and surely this is going to be easier. Literally all she has to do is go to one or the other feed bowl. It's an Italy win! Beaky Banana nonchalantly has chosen Italy. Yeah, there she goes. So Italy to win tonight. To be fair though, I don't think she's that bothered.